Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Asma Zafar and today's topic is very interesting. So today's topic is a link between dental procedures and a serious heart condition which is known as infective endocarditis. Let's have a deeper look into how these two seemingly unrelated areas can intersect. So infective endocarditis is a serious concern. It's a condition where bacteria and other germs enter your bloodstream and infect your inner lining of your heart chambers and heart valves. While it's a rare condition, it can be life-threatening. So how are dental procedures and infective endocarditis risk related? Now you might be wondering, what does dentistry have to do with heart infections? Certain dental procedures, especially those involving the gums and teeth, can create tiny openings in your mouth that can allow bacteria to enter your bloodstream. If you have a weakened heart or specific heart conditions, these bacteria can travel to your heart and cause infection. So this potential link has led to legal cases where patients have sued dentists for not taking adequate precautions to prevent IE. The study we are discussing today analyzed 319 such cases. To successfully link a case of infective endocarditis to dental procedures, three main factors were identified. Short incubation period. So the infection should appear shortly after the dental procedure, typically within a few days. Number two is isolation of the oral bacteria. The specific type of bacteria causing infection should match those commonly found in the mouth. And the number three is dental procedure. So certain dental procedures like tooth extraction or scaling were more frequently linked to infective endocarditis cases. Prevention is the key to minimize the risk of infective endocarditis. Dentists and patients should work together. Before dental procedures, patients with underlying heart conditions should consult their cardiologist and determine if antibiotic prophylaxis is necessary. Dentists should also adhere to strict infection control protocols and take a thorough dental history and medical history to identify patients at risk. To conclude, while infective endocarditis is a serious condition, it's also important to remember that it's relatively rare. By following recommended guidelines and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can greatly reduce the risk. If you have any concern about your heart health or upcoming dental procedures, be sure to discuss them with your healthcare providers and your dentist. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or experiences related to dental health and heart conditions. That was it for today. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.